Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. If you think washing your car is a hassle, this is the line of car care products for you. Optimum Polymer Technologies, Dr. David Gadushi, you are the chemist who's formulated all of this stuff, and you're a polymer scientist, so we know this is the real deal. Now tell me how it all started 20 years ago.
Well, after I received my PhD, I worked in manufacturing automotive clear coat for several years with DuPont and PPG. And after I left there, I decided to manufacture a line of product designed for automotive clear coat, which in the past, everything was designed for single stage paint, which, as you know, is very different from clear coat. So we came out with the first product, which is Optimum Car Wax, which has the same UV protection as factory clear, and still is the only product that offers this protection. And it's very easy to apply. You spray it, wipe it on, it adds UV to the clear coat, and it lasts longer than paste wax. So it saves you time and gives you better results. We continued on to manufacture several other products and a whole line, actually, to cover every aspect of automotive detailing, which are very easy to use, very user-friendly, and also environmentally friendly and very cost-effective. These are used by many thousands of professional detailers across the country.
And it also, you know, for consumers here, this is the Optimum line. So
Absolutely.
This is what folks are going to grab a bottle and take home, and it's going to make cleaning easy. And talk about easy to use. You have the no rinse wash here. I've never seen anything like that. Tell the folks how that works.
Sure, absolutely. As you know, Dave, to wash a car with soap, you have to drag out the hose and rinse the car before and after, and it takes a long time, and you end up with wet clothes and wet shoes. And on a sunny day, you end up with lots of water spots on your car.
Every time.
So we decided to design a product that is much more advanced than car wash soaps, and it's a polymer-based product that only requires a fraction of water to wash your car, and you can wash with 2 gallons of water, 1 ounce of no rinse, and you get better results, no scratches, and a glossy finish in half the time.
And by the way, when you were finished, there's like one little drop of water on the floor. Nothing ran off of the car, so it's a pretty remarkable product. Now that is what you have for the consumers, the Optimum line.
Yes.
Then moving on, you've got ceramic coatings as well. That's a relatively new technology. How'd that come about?
We started manufacturing ceramic coatings back in 2008, and we were the first company in the continent to offer ceramic coatings. And ceramic coatings are much better than a wax or a sealant. They last for many years, and they protect the car paint better than anything else in the marketplace.
And you have several different levels, so depending on how long you want that finish to last, is that how it works?
We have a 5-year, 7-year, and a lifetime guarantee. But we guarantee it for a different amount of time, depending on which product you go with and how thick the layers are. We also have a consumer ceramic coating called Optimum Gloss Coat, OptiSeal, and HyperSeal, which your DIY users can easily apply to their cars and get several years of protection.
And for the consumers, what's the prep process like?
The prep process, it depends on the condition of the car. If it's got a lot of scratches, then you want to remove it before applying the ceramic coating. Otherwise, you're sealing the scratches. So, but if the car doesn't have a scratch and it's well maintained, you can just wash it with no rinse, dry it, and apply the coating.
Doctor, before I let you go, I know you have a special offer for our viewers.
Yes, we have the 8-ounce Optimum No Rinse available to your audience with 100% money-back guarantee and free shipping on our website, OptimumCarKit.com. That's how confident we are that people, once they use it, they're going to love this product.
And no risk there. If they're not satisfied, they just return it to you?
Right, 100% money-back guarantee. And once you use this product, you're going to love it. Similar to thousands of professional detailers and 100,000 or more car care enthusiasts.
And how many washes am I getting out of that little bottle?
That's 8 ounce, gives you 8 washes. Costs less than soap and gives you much better results with no scratches and a glossy finish.
And here's something I love about all your products. Made right here in the USA, made in Tennessee in your hometown. Now, believe the science, he's a PhD. Check him out at OptimumCarCare.com. And you can check out more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings in just a couple minutes.